I have been on the fence about these lights for years, so I understand being on the fence. Get over it. We had people in here putting in new lights and bulbs and electricians all the time for the customer as well as the salesperson. It's much more comfortable. It's a classy look. I mean, it brings everything up and it feels better inside.
The techs have always had to use drop lights, flashlights, combination thereof. You know, these high bay lights are incredible. If we had a power outage, they would go out. It'd be 20 minutes before they come back on. These, you turn them off, you can turn them right back on. The perimeter lighting was basically non-existent. We had some fluorescent, but they just didn't put out much light. We had the overhead, what I call can lights. Of course, they were very noisy. They were very expensive to maintain, and they just didn't put much light out, especially in our detail department. It was almost like a cave back there. Yeah, there has been less heat in the shop. Been a big difference there. After the U.S. Energy completed the installation, it was literally like night and day.
I love our parking lot at night. When you drive by, there's other dealerships around us, and whenever you drive by, it pops, it shines. I believe we get more business after hours now since we have the lighting than before. Someone drives by and it can be intimidating, it can be spooky. But if you can walk up, feel comfortable, see everything, and plus just safety. I almost believe more in the non-energy benefits than the energy benefits. At this point, it's around $10,000 a year that it saves me. Staying green, saving money, those are all huge benefits. But when you drive by, you can see the cars. When it came down to the rebate part, that's the part that scared me the most. Because you just never know. I mean, that's where the rubber hits the road. We got legitimate answers for legitimate concerns. We received exactly what we were told we would receive. And I love that. The incentives are there, the savings are real. So just from the maintenance perspective, the cost, the way it looks, get off the fence, make the investment.
Our competitor next door, our outdoor lights, I mean, we kind of look like the Griswolds on National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, you know, the brrr, and he's kind of like brrr. I mean, they were just like bam, 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 bam. When they were going down doing those lights along the sides, I mean, it was just like, it was amazing how quick they'd pull the cages off, had the bulbs out, switch out the guts. I mean, it was incredible. It was definitely like a assembly line, took after Henry Ford on that.